core value of the Carbondale Unitarian Fellowship is deep care, deep respect for the environment, and going solar certainly fits at the heart of that. A core principle of Unitarian philosophy is the interdependent web of all existence and honoring and respecting the earth. And we felt that the conclusion was a real way to live out that value, that care that we have, would be to install solar panels. We chose StraightUp Solar for a variety of reasons, influenced by price, reputation, and responsiveness to our needs in installing the system. The installation was great, went very smoothly. We were very, very pleased with the whole process of the installation from start to finish. The response to us putting the solar in has been incredibly positive. The members of the congregation are very excited about it.
For me, the duality of the experience of being a member of the fellowship and also being an incentive specialist for StraightUp Solar. On a Sunday morning, I came out here and looked at the array while the sun was shining, and just to see members inside having important conversations and seeing StraightUp Solar's beautiful array soaking up the sun. It was very rewarding and exciting.
StraightUp Solar has been a great partner in this project. They've helped us along the way. If you're looking to go solar, you should seriously look at StraightUp as a source for your solar panels.